Hello and welcome to week 4. I'm going to be giving you some really good news. There's no assignment due this week. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the discussion question a little bit and how to find that pay research article. And then just remind you that there is a quiz. So you have 2 discussions, discussion 1, discussion 2. As a reminder, discussion 2 is a reflection. So you will not see me replying to that. That is an area for you and your peers to discuss and share what you are finding and what you are learning about, okay? Make sure that you do all 3 items, discussion 1, discussion 2, and discussion 3, but continue to work for next week, our final project. I did put in the announcements for you to set up your e-portfolio. It's very important that when you get that set up, that will be used next week in order to post your final project in 2 areas. You're going to submit it and you're going to put it in a portfolio, but to make that shareable or viewable, a public view, so that I can see that. So that was just a side note. Make sure you read the announcements for this week and reply to that once you get your portfolio set up. But now on to the DQs. So the only thing I really wanted to pull out here, it's a very straightforward DQ. You are starting to learn how to give authors credit for the credit that they deserve. And so we are going to be using an article about the Pay Research Center, or from the Pay Research Center rather, and then we're going to learn how to use that as a citation and integrate our content. So in order to prepare for this, you are going to go to the Pay Research Center and select an issue from the research topics. Okay, so there's plenty of research topics here, and I'm always interested in the happiness and life satisfaction. You're going to see that I modeled this one. And then as I look in this topic, I pick out an article that interests me. And as you scroll down, you can move forward and look at quite a few articles, so you don't have to just pick one. This one pops out at me. A growing number of American teenagers, particularly girls, are facing depression. And this is the one that I selected to model the DQ. And the reason why I selected is because I've got 3 little girls that are rapidly growing and developing, and maybe I might find some insight into what is going on, okay? So again, you're gonna pick a topic. You can pick anyone. You don't have to pick the happiness and life satisfaction. You can see there are just hundreds of topics. Pick something you're interested in and use that for your discussion. Might be something to do with what's going on in your life right now, or your career or your profession. Remember, we are using APA formatting. So like last week, if you have a question on how to create an APA style formatted reference, put it in the DQ number 1, and let's help each other out on how to build those. I look forward to seeing your work this week. Take care now.